If you just bought a new drone, or you are holding out for the DJI Mini 5 Pro, put your wallet away right now. Seriously, stop whatever you are doing. The consumer drone industry is about to experience a massive generational leap that no one saw coming this early. We just obtained access to the latest supply chain leaks, official patent filings, and highly credible insider reports regarding the highly anticipated DJI Mini 6 Pro. DJI is completely rewriting the laws of physics for the sub-250g drone category. We are talking about a massive 1-inch stack sensor, 6K video capabilities, and true Nightscape LiDAR, all packed into a tiny chassis that legally bypasses the strictest FAA regulations in the United States and premium markets worldwide. Welcome to TechVibe. We are your premium, trusted source for the most authentic, hard-hitting tech leaks and gadget reviews on the internet. Today, we are breaking down absolutely everything you need to know about the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro. From the revolutionary dual-camera payload to the exact release date and pricing, we have the complete roadmap. Make sure you watch until the very end, because the expected release date might force you to completely change your entire upgrade strategy. When it comes to compact drones, the golden rule has always been about compromise. You want the drone light enough to avoid heavy commercial registration and remote ID headaches, but you traditionally sacrifice sensor size, wind resistance, and cinematic quality. The DJI Mini 6 Pro is throwing that rulebook completely out the window. The biggest leak we have points to a revolutionary camera upgrade. For the first time ever, DJI is reportedly cramming a massive 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor into this incredibly tiny form factor. If you are a professional filmmaker, real estate photographer, or premium travel creator, you understand exactly why this is a massive deal. A stacked sensor means insanely fast readout speeds, practically eliminating the dreaded rolling shutter effect when flying at high speeds. The supply chain leaks indicate this brand new sensor will push resolution to a staggering 6K at 30 frames per second, and true 4K at a buttery smooth 120 frames per second. Having that 6K resolution allows you to reframe shots in post-production and heavily stabilize footage without losing that crisp final output. If that was not enough to make heavy-duty drone owners jealous, internal reports suggest a dual-camera system is coming to the Mini line. Expect a main 24mm equivalent lens paired seamlessly with a dedicated medium telephoto lens, hovering right around the 48mm mark. This dual payload system gives you incredible lens compression, allowing you to capture stunning parallax effects around your subjects. This is a highly sought-after feature previously reserved entirely for the much larger, far more expensive Mavic series drones. Now, it fits right in the palm of your hand. Having a cinema-grade camera means absolutely nothing if you crash your extremely expensive drone into a tree branch. This brings us to the second mind-blowing feature of the Mini 6 Pro, which is true Nightscape LiDAR. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance is standard now, but it relies heavily on visual sensors that desperately need ambient light. If you fly at dusk or in complete darkness, you are effectively flying blind. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to integrate a miniaturized LiDAR system, providing true three-dimensional spatial mapping that works flawlessly in pitch-black darkness. The drone actively maps its surroundings using invisible laser pulses, creating a permanent safety bubble completely independent of environmental lighting. You might be asking how DJI is adding a 1-inch sensor, dual cameras, and a LiDAR module without breaking that highly critical 250g weight limit. The answer lies entirely in the chassis. Insider leaks point to a brand new carbon fiber-infused redesign. By utilizing advanced aerospace materials, DJI is shaving precious grams off the frame while actually increasing structural rigidity. This leads to another massive upgrade, which is level 6 wind resistance. With a new aerodynamic profile and enhanced proprietary motors, the Mini 6 Pro effortlessly holds its ground in coastal winds up to 31 miles per hour. Alongside physical resilience, we are looking at a game-changing upgrade to the transmission system with OcuSync 5. If you fly in dense urban areas like New York or Los Angeles, you know exactly how frustrating signal interference can be. O5 is designed to be completely bulletproof, utilizing a dual-band frequency hopping algorithm that pushes a rock-solid 1080p live feed directly to your controller. With a rumored range extending up to 25 kilometers, that sheer signal penetration means you will never drop a frame when flying behind heavy concrete buildings or in areas with massive interference. We also have to talk about battery life, because the industry leaks get truly wild right here. The Mini 6 Pro is expected to debut brand new high-energy silicon anode battery cell technology. Rumors heavily suggest a maximum flight time approaching a jaw-dropping 60 minutes on a single standard charge. Think about what that actually means for your workflow. 1 full hour in the air is more than enough time to scout a location, set up multiple hyperlapses, shoot your primary video, and fly back without ever having to land and swap a battery. Before we discuss the release date, we must address the United States drone market and ongoing legislative pressure surrounding DJI. Despite the regulatory noise and potential tariff fears throughout the last 2 years, DJI continues to entirely dominate the global market. The Mini 6 Pro is explicitly designed with the US premium market in mind. By keeping the weight strictly under 249 grams, DJI ensures this flagship drone remains firmly within the recreational category. It completely bypasses the strictest commercial regulations, avoids complex FAA remote ID hurdles, and perfectly dodges heavy registration requirements. So, when can you get your hands on the DJI Mini 6 Pro, and how much will it actually cost? Based on historical release cycles and Asian supply chain memos, the Mini 6 Pro is slated for an official global announcement in late Q3 or early Q4 of 2026. We are looking at a late September launch window, perfectly timed ahead of the holiday shopping season. As for pricing, the baseline Mini 6 Pro with the standard RC-N3 controller is expected to start right around $999. For the ultimate professional setup, specifically the Fly More combo with the built-in screen RC3 controller, expect to pay around $1,499. You are essentially buying a flying professional cinema camera that fits inside your jacket pocket and does not require a commercial pilot's license. The performance gap between the Mini series and the heavy-duty Mavic series has truly never been this impossibly thin. The Mini 6 Pro is not just a yearly upgrade, it is an industry-shaking event that will completely redefine aerial photography. Are the 1-inch stack sensor and Nightscape LiDAR enough to make you hold off on buying a drone right now? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below, we read every single one. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next exclusive tech breakdown. You are watching TechVibe. Thanks for tuning in, fly safe, and we will catch you in the next video.